That's the yuca. It comes in many sizes. I have a variety of roots that we use in our cuisine. Tenemos viandas. We call it viandas or roots. One of them is la yautía. Yautía con bacalao. So, and again, you get it from your backyard. And you pick it up. It's their roots. So you pick it up from your backyard and you cook it. So again, it's everywhere in Puerto Rico. And there are different kinds. We have malanga, we have yautía, we have yuca. Yuca, this is yuca, malanga, yautía, y esto es llame también. This is the same thing. Right here, the llame. There are more. And it's just to cook enough for get the onions tender. Again, order, no, there's no order to it. I just throw them all there. And when this is done and the yuca is done, we just put it together. Little bit of pepper. And this is the whole in there. And grind it? No. You can grind it if you want to. But I just leave it. Actually, if I had done this yesterday and let it really sip, and actually we did that, it get all the flavors.
How many
Just for the cooking. So how many?
This is the mojo sauce that goes on the yuca.
Yeah. And then I add in the olives. This is not in your recipe. I just add in the olives. I have some left over from the previous, and I add in that too. Little bit of vinegar. Again, if there is something here that you don't like, don't put it. Don't add it to it. Basically, I do this for your teaching purposes. Some people don't like to add the vinegar, for example. I just put a tiny little bit, not too much.
That's apple cider.
Yeah, vinegar.
You're adding the mashed garlic?
Yeah. I do that. Again, a lot of this basically is slow cooking, so it all simmers up. All those flavors get together.
Yeah, and in the garlic, you put the heads of the garlic, probably depending on how much yuca you have. We put about, I would say about 10 little heads there.
Yeah, because we have a lot of yuca. This could be for anything. You can add any fish if you want to. We just happen to be yuca today, but it could be anything you want. Put more oil to it. Olive oil is wonderful. Nothing wrong with it.
But it's because we have a lot of yuca.
Are you gonna cook it?
Boiling the yuca, we added a little bit of salt for the yuca, and now it's a matter of waiting.
About how long does it take to cook?
Usually 20 minutes after it start boiling, and the best way to measure that it's ready is that it will be soft. We're just going to put them here. Some of them may not be as done, but the small ones are done.
The little ones are done.
So I'm just getting the pieces from and just kind of soaking them with the oil. So I start taking the flavor of all this mojito or onions, and the mojito is already soft and ready. So now we're gonna get from the yuca and start putting it here.
Oh, you're transferring
The yuca.